And I said, peace, productivity, and youth empowerment stand as pillars essential to building a better Jamaica. Peace, a word that we often use in our country, Delroy, Minister of Justice, lays the foundation for progress and sustainable development, fostering an environment where all Jamaicans can thrive free from violence and conflict. Productivity fuels growth and development, driving innovation, minister entrepreneurship, and job creation. And may I say to my fellow colleagues in the diaspora that unemployment in Jamaica is the lowest that it has ever been in the history of our country, at just over 4%. And by empowering our youth, we invest in Jamaica's greatest asset, ensuring that our next generation is equipped with the tools, resources, and support they need to realize their full potential and become leaders of tomorrow. So as we reflect on the theme, I wish to acknowledge and celebrate the invaluable contribution of the Jamaica diaspora in fostering peace, productivity, and youth empowerment. Let me say to all of my colleagues in the diaspora, you play a crucial role in the advance in these goals. The unwavering commitment, expertise, and passion of our diaspora has been instrumental in driving positive change and advances Jamaica's interests on the global stage. Whether through giving back, entrepreneurship, or advocacy, your individual and collective efforts continue to make a profound impact on the lives of Jamaicans at home and abroad. And I just want to say, from the bottom of our heart, and I can speak on behalf of my legacy partners, to the members of the diaspora, thank you very much. Your roots are firmly planted in the vibrant soil of Jamaica, and now is the time to nurture that connection through investment. Listen, I've been in business, and in fact, Courtney, as I'm getting old, I'm near that Grace Kennedy for 30 years, Andrew. And this is Don Webby speaking to my members of the diaspora. There's never been a better time in the history of our country for you to invest in our country. Never. Your expertise, your resources, and passion can drive transformational change, particularly in two fastest growing sectors. And this is Don's opinion, not Grace Kennedy's opinion, digital innovation. And I would really like to ask, and we can discuss it more at the conference, Courtney and Minister. I really, really believe in the agricultural sector of Jamaica. I really believe in it. And, you know, the wake-up call for us, certainly at Grace Kennedy, was with, I'm sure that was with COVID-19, as you'll recall. When we are, as a nation, we're talking about food sustainability, food security. And there's only one formula, Minister Chuck, to deal with food security and food sustainability. And that is to build our agricultural sector and our agro-processing sector. And I believe that the Jamaica diaspora, whether in Canada, the UK, or the USA, or wherever you are in the world, look at it seriously, because it's going to what I call a win-win-win.